He knows that I'm filming him. He don't like this. That's why he stopped drinking water. Do you know, guys, that this cat, he doesn't like that he getting a video. All the video that I take for him, he did not notice how I hide my phone just to make it sure that I take him a video. Now he doesn't look at me because he knows. I don't know why he's like this cat. He's so crazy cat. But he's so cute. You say goodbye to me now. I'm going. You say goodbye. You want to watch the bird there? You say goodbye. Goodbye, my little boy. You're so cute. You're so cute, my little boy. I'm going now, huh? Don't be sad. Oh, your tail is keep moving. Yes, I'm going. You be good boy, you good boy, good boy. You're so cute. Oh, you're so cute. You don't like to look at me because I'm going. It's okay, don't be sad. I'll be back, huh? I'll be back, my little chubby. Goodbye.